Okay, here we are. So, all this stuff up here is the ammeter. Down here is the back of the key. It runs around to this little guy, which I don't know what that thing is. Then up and around to this, what looks like just a bunch of terminals here, providing power. This line up here is the one that runs out to the starter in connection with the battery, positive battery terminal. So I don't know if this little thing right here might be bad. I have checked continuity on the key. All that seems to work fine. Again, that's the ammeter. I replaced the starter switch over there. And the blue line that runs out of it again, the blue line running out of the starter runs through and comes around and goes to this. So I don't think there's anything could be wrong with that